today's job was to try and mark out some beds here and dig out the roots from what was there previously, but obviously we didn't get very far. And next up was to start cutting back this massive bramble, which we did. I'm doing this all by hand. If you're wondering why I'm not using a bush cutter and stuff like that, it's because I haven't got the money. I can't afford to buy one. I can't afford to hire one, so it's all been done by hand. And as you can see, as I've uncovered it all, it's all got this plastic matting. So the last guy who ever had it before, I'll show you there, but that matting goes all the way back here, and there's bits of concrete and everything in there. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a nightmare. But we do it. It's going to take a lot longer than we anticipated. A lot longer. I've got a incinerator over here. Where is it? There we go. So we'll start burning some of the stuff off. I know that's not environmentally friendly, but it's just too much of it to... I can't mulch the brambles down because I just reseed it everywhere. Anyway, that's today. That's what you can do with 2 kids. That are young and get bored quickly.